Hello class, my name is Dr. Marcelo, or Professor Marcelo. Today we'll be learning about parabolas. The general equation for a parabola is y equals x squared plus bx plus c. Let me box this. If you can see, I am drawing a four-sided figure around the general equation. Today we'll be focusing on negative parabolas. The negative parabola has a negative in front of A. I'll be drawing a negative parabola. If you can see while I'm drawing it, it looks like a sad face. A very sad face. If you erase the graph, you can now draw eyes. Then a nose.
Yo, I'm gonna let you finish, but Math Bus is one of the best shows of all time. Roll it!
Mother function.
So you really want to learn math? Come on, follow me. Come on, camera guy, come here. Alright, well, today we're going to be learning about negative parabolas. As a parabola goes like this, a negative parabola goes like this. You can think of it as almost of a rainbow. A good example of negative parabolas is the sport basketball. Basketball. Hey Holmes, hand me the ball.
Boy, I ain't your Holmes.
So this is a negative parabola. I didn't make it. We leave that to the professionals. In basketball, we have professionals such as Michael Jordan, Larry Bird, and Magic Johnson. Sadly, we don't have those guys. We have these guys.
Yay!
Here's a perfect example. Ooh. Let me see your parabola. Alright. So this is how I'm going to do first. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Okay.
Watch. Go. When Josh shoots the ball, when I shoot the ball.
No, go back. Just
keep going. When I shoot the ball, it makes a parabola. You can see right there.
Oh my god. Just do it again. Do it over again.
Woo!
Do it over again.
Just keep shooting.
Yeah, we're done with basketball. Let us move on to the next sport, shall we? Okay, so another example of negative parabolas is the sport of football. Excuse me, sir. There's also another negative parabola.
Yeah!
One of our own men, the math buster. Chris? Cut it.
Yeah, Josh! Josh!
as you can see, as one person throws it to another and the other catches, it creates a perfect negative parabola. Watch as the ball goes up and then goes down.
Here's another good example of when Josh throws a ball to Chris.
Look at that. Look at that.
Beep. Do you see that parabola? It's so beautiful. Like you, Josh.
Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Parabola.
As you can see, I'm on my negative parabola.
I'll go down.
Ow.
Alright, cool.
Oh. Now, our final sport is not swimming. It's soccer. Roll the clips. Yes. Here's Chris kicking the ball. Look, it makes another parabola. Look, it makes a sad face. Just like your face, Josh.
No.
Okay, so when you piece this all together, these sports accumulate to this. First you must have the general equation, as you see here. In order to make this a negative parabola, such as we've seen before, you must put a negative in front of the equation. Now, you may ask, what do all these sports have to do with negative parabolas? Well, let me break it down. When you're using your general equation, here's some calculators.
Okay, when you use it,
The leading coefficient, A, indicates how fat or skinny the parabola will be. The B will move the graph left or right, while the C decides where the graph will be, if it will move up or down. Now, if the player, to put this into sports terms, as the player inputs force into the action, it will represent the range or VA. The position of the player will portray B, and the angle the player positions the ball will represent C, and how high the arc will be.
okay. So what's that?
Now we can always return